Hello everybody, welcome back to KG Simple Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Fairywill E10 Electric Toothbrush. We actually already have a Fairywill toothbrush, and so I went in to go get another one and found that they have a new model here, which is the Fairywill E10, and I'm really excited to try it out. I kind of want to see what are the perks of having this newer version. So just right off the bat, I see that it has a little bit of a different design. I saw online that this has a non-slip grip, which is kind of nice. And I heard that it's also waterproof, so it's good if you like to brush your teeth in the shower. As always, Fairywill products come in these nice compact packaging, so let's open this up. Okay, so you can see very obviously what everything is. We have the toothbrush here, we have the extra heads here, and then the charging cable. Let me go ahead and take these out. Oh, I forgot about this. This one actually comes with a tongue scraper as well, which I think is awesome. So we have the user manual right here. So let's open up this toothbrush. Let's check it out. I want to see what this no slip grip. Okay, I definitely noticed a difference with this design here. You can notice these grooves here that help with the anti-slipping. I think that's really nice. As you can see, it has these settings. It has white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage, as well as the power button up here, and then you connect the power cable down here at the bottom. The thing I love about these Fairywill toothbrushes is it only takes a 4-hour charge for a whole 30 days of use, which is absolutely amazing. Let's check out these brush heads. I like how they come in this little box because you can just keep all your extras in here tucked away underneath your sink. So you can see we have all the extras in here. They all come in these nice sealed packages. These are all the extras. This looks like the first one because it has a cover on it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up. So you can see this one has the hard plastic cover on it, which keeps it nice and clean in your cupboard. The thing I like about these toothbrushes is they have the W-shaped bristle design, which is really great for getting into those tight, hard to get places on the edges of your teeth and down on the bottom, so I absolutely love that. I also love that these bristles are really soft. We talked to our dentist and they said it's really important to have soft bristles. I'm gonna attach this here. These are also antibacterial bristles, which I love. Okay, I'm gonna keep all of these. Let's see how many brush heads there are first. Let's get them all out. Let me make sure I got them all. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 total toothbrush heads. Open this is the charge cable. You will need a wall unit, but I think everybody mostly has those. I like that this one comes with a little Velcro so it's easy to secure back together. I really love that this comes with a tongue scraper. I know their other models don't come with this, and I think that that's a great perk because I know if you suffer from any type of bad breath or if you get sick, I know that you can get extra debris on your tongue, and these are great for getting that off, so I absolutely love that. Another thing that I noticed about this model is that, I don't know if you can tell, but there's these 2 little bumps right here, and the other model doesn't have that. So when you lay this down flat, it just rests exactly like that, and I really like that because that way it doesn't roll. I'm gonna go ahead and try this toothbrush out and see what I think about it. I have my favorite toothpaste here. If you haven't tried this, you should definitely check it out. This is the Hello brand, and it is the activated charcoal toothpaste. So it is black, don't be alarmed. I'm gonna use this and see how this toothbrush feels. So I don't know about you, but when I brush my teeth, I like my toothbrush to be wet first, so I'm just gonna dip it in this little cup of water since I'm not in front of my sink. Here we go. I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm just going to turn it on to the sensitive setting, which is this 3rd setting down. Okay, I just finished brushing my teeth with this Fairywill E10 toothbrush, and I have to say I am impressed. My teeth feel really polished. I don't know if you can tell, they look so shiny. I love the sensitive setting because I just want a good polish and a good clean, and I love these little brushes, how they have that W shape. I feel like it really gets everywhere so much better than especially a manual toothbrush. And I love that this has 40,000 VPMs. You can tell it vibrates really fast, which is absolutely great for polishing and cleaning my teeth. My favorite features of this E10 model is the no slip grip. I absolutely love it. It feels really good and sturdy in my hand, and it's still really light like some of their other models. But I really love these little 2 bumps on the back so that my toothbrush doesn't touch the table when I set it down, and it stays in one spot, especially for putting toothpaste on if I only have one free hand. And I definitely want to try out the waterproof feature later. I feel like that's really going to come in handy. Overall, I'm happy to say that I am impressed with this E10, and I definitely recommend it. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the link in the description down below, and you can go check it out yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!